my name is Vikas Gaurav and welcome back to my channel called Cognition Learning Center for. So friend, today I am going to teach you how to do the simulation in Solidworks, or you can say this is analysis in Solidworks. So here today I am going to teach you a simulation for structure. As you can see, there is a truss bridge. So I am going to apply some forces on truss bridge and you can see how it will act when I apply a force on a structure. So friend, this is my second video on analysis part in SolidWorks. So let's start with the simulation. So as you can see, there is no tab for simulation, so we can make it appear. So we can go to setting and add in, and you can check this SolidWorks simulation. Okay, so it will appear here, a new tab of simulation. As you can see, it will appear. So go to new study and you can have the name of the file. You can rename it whatever we wanted to rename, XYZ, and this is static. Okay, fine. So we have new file called XYZ. So as you can see, Truss Bridge, there is a cut list. So you can see here, this is solid body. So you can see there is no material for this solid bodies, so we need to give the material for these parts. So first make it as a truss. Select this all elements and right click and make this as a truss. So edit truss. So we have to make all the element which is going to be work like a truss. So select all the elements. Okay, fine. Okay, right click, edit definition and make it truss. So it will act like a truss, all the elements in this bridge. So now we can assign the material for all the elements. So click here. Okay, as you can see, there are multiple options. So we select AISI 304 for the structure. Okay, so the material will change according to the application. So now the material is assigned. As you can see, for all the elements, material is assigned now. Okay, fine. Now we have to fix the part. So this is a bridge. So as you can see, the four sides like this, and this is going to be fixed. So select this four joints. So these ends are fixed because this is a bridge. So the both ends should be fixed. So it will act like a fixed one now. Okay, fine. Now again, okay, go to simulation, fix geometry. Now we have to select use reference geometry. So these joints is going to be moved like this as it is appearing here. So select these joints, these joints is going to be moved like this, these joints. Okay, fine. So we have selected all the movable joints. Okay, fine. Okay, please select the reference plane, axis, edge, planar. So we have to select a plane or axis where this is going to be moved after applying the force. So here we are selecting front plane. So it is moving in this direction, as you can see on that plane. Okay, fine. So now go to simulation and select forces. So now this is the time where we can apply the force. So select this joint, and here we are going to apply on this joint this. Okay. On this and this, so it will change according to the application of the force. Okay, select the direction, so face edge, select this plane, top plane. Okay, so it will give the direction. So we can give the amount of force where we are going to apply. So 1000, fine. Okay, as you can see, the direction is correct. It is applying in downward direction. We can make the width of the direction a bigger one, so it will appear in a proper manner, and we can see it from here. Okay, so now it's look good. The SI unit is also fine. Okay, as you can see, the direction of the force on all the joints. So everything looks fine. 1000 Newton in downward direction, all the 6 joints. Now you can run the study. Okay, now you can see how it appear after applying the forces. So it will look like this, as you can see. Okay, so this type of movement is going to be appear on the bridge after applying the required forces. Okay, as you can see in the table, so there is to stress and displacement. We can add another tab if required, factor of safety, so it will appear, and we can give the maximum of 10 factor of safety, so it will report up to 10 factor of safety. So go to stress again, and you can see in the table it is exponential value, so we can change it in a simple value. So right click, okay, chart option or edit definition. So go to edit definition, you can go to chart option, make it floating. Okay, fine. Okay, now go to definition and scroll down, make it megapascal. Okay, now it appears in a simple value. Now it's fine. Okay, right click, edit definition, chart option, and so the maximum stress which is going to be applied on which element, so it will appear. So there is one point where go to displacement, again right click, edit. Okay, go to chart option, scroll down, make it floating. Okay, now the value looks familiar and easy. So as you can see, go to factor of safety, again right click the table, chart option. Okay, floating. Okay, fine. So now it appears in a simple value. So here we can see the lowest factor of safety value, which is 10. So this is the factor of safety for the structure. Okay, displacement, right click on the table. Okay, sorry, right click and make it animate, select animate. So it will animate, like it will appear how it act when we apply a force. So it will act like this, as you can see in this animation. Okay, fine. It look amazing to see. Okay, fine. So friends, hope you like this video, and please like, comment, share this video to your friends and family, and please support our channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.